everyone, I'm Trish and I'm here today to show you how easy it is to make 3 different types of pancakes with Betty Crocker. Betty Crocker has a range of pre-mixed products that are delicious, conveniently packaged, and best of all, kid-friendly, so you can enjoy some kitchen bonding moment with your little ones. First, I'm going to put all the contents of the Betty Crocker pancake mix into a bowl, which is about 435 grams. Then I'm going to add 585 milliliters of milk. Then I'm going to mix all the ingredients together until uniformly mixed. Next, you're going to heat a pan on medium-high heat and lightly grease with some oil. Then you add your batter, however much you want, but here I've got about 45 milliliters. Once the bubbles start to break at the top and the edges started to dry, that's when it's ready to be turned. After about another minute on the other side, your pancake is done. The first one is classic pancakes with a bit of butter and maple syrup. Let's try the classic pancakes. Perfect pancakes, fluffy in the middle and so easy to make. And next we have Berry Bear pancakes. We are going to make some very cute bear-shaped pancakes with sliced bananas and blueberries with a lashing of homemade berry sauce. This Berry Bear plate has got to be my most favorite one because it's so cute and so kid-friendly that they can assemble it themselves as well. Last but not least, we're going to do a decadent Chunky Monkey pancakes. For this, we'll need Betty Crocker pancakes as the base, generous portions of sliced bananas, crushed walnuts, and peanut sauce. We're going to just keep stacking them. And to make it extra decadent, chocolate sauce. This decadent Chunky Monkey is such a special treat for kids of all ages. Say you're planning a children's party, a great way to create your own homemade dessert table is with Betty Crocker products. Besides pancakes, you can also make brownies, muffins, and cookies, all of which are easily made in a few simple steps. These treats are also very fun to do with children because they're so simple and the cleaning up is easy too. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Trish, and let us know in the comments if you have anything you'd like us to try.